In this video we show you how to create this amazing infographic in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, add a Fusion composition to a timeline. Right-click on it and select Open in Fusion page. Then add a background node and connect to the layout. Next, change the type to gradient. Set the start x to 0.5, the start y to 0, the end x to 0.5 and the end y to 1. Then change the first color to a dark blue and the second to a slightly lighter blue. Go back to the edit page, add another Fusion composition and open it. Move to the top left, click on the media pool and import the torus image. Then close the media pool. Now add a transform node and a color corrector node. Then connect all the nodes together. Select the transform node and reduce the size to 0.63. Go to the color corrector, open the option tab and uncheck pre-divide. Then go back to the correction tab and set the saturation to 0. Increase the contrast to 1.2 and lower the lift to -0.1. Then select the merge node and reduce the blend to 0.5. Now add an ellipse mask, a background, a color corrector and a transform node. Connect all the nodes and connect the transform to the merge to create another merge. Select the background and change the color to light blue. Then lower the alpha to 0.5. Select the ellipse mask and press F2 to rename it Circle. Right-click on Width and select Expression. Drag the plus icon onto height and set to 0.346. In this way, height and width will be linked. Then uncheck Solid. Increase the border width to 0.0722. Change the cap style to flat and move the position to 0.25. In this way, when you adjust the length, the line will start from the center. Now right-click on the node name, select Edit Control and rename it Counter. In the Page section, click Controls. Enable Integer. Set the range from 0 to 100. Finally select Slider Control in the Input section and press OK. This will make the counter appear at the bottom. Now right-click on Length and select Expression. Type circle.Circle/100 to link the length to the counter. Then select the transform node and click Flip Horizontal. Go back to ellipse mask and at frame 0 add a keyframe to the counter. Then go to the last frame and set the counter to 100. Open the spline panel at the top and select the counter. Click Zoom to fit. Then press Ctrl A and then S. Press T and increase the ease-in to 60. This will make the animation smoother. Close the spline and select the color corrector. Increase the contrast to 1.5 and increase the gain to 1.2. Before that, uncheck pre-divide. Then select the merge node and change the apply mode to overlay. Finally connect the color corrector to the blue input of the merge. Now add a radial blur using Shift spacebar. Increase the strength to 0.67. Now add a text node and connect the radial blur to create a merge node. Change the font to any you prefer. Increase the size to 0.14. Then right-click on the text box and select Expression and type the text on the screen. In this way the numbers will follow the counter. Now add a soft glow using Shift spacebar. Lower the gain to 0.65. Increase the glow size to 18. Finally select the main background and set the alpha to 0. If you want to become an expert in video editing, check out the tutorials I have created for you on this channel. And if you want your videos to reach this level of quality, contact me on email.